Man, what's up, everybody? I'm testing this damn freaking fire extinguisher, man. I think this shit broke or something, man. It ain't going off. It was just working on the stove, but it don't want to work when I'm smoking on some gas. I'm about to burn to death in here. This bitch don't even want to go off. Beep, 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 beep. Ashing on it and shit. Must gotta be a fucking fire for this bitch to go off. I'm high as shit. Oh, sorry. Oh, it just beeped, I think. I mean, it just blinked. Alright, I think it's detecting fire. It's a fire. Yeah, it's about, I think it's detecting some fire. It's coming, yeah. Beep, beep, beep. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Why you gotta be so cheap, 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 cheap? Why you gotta drive that Jeep, 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 Jeep? Bitch, I like to eat, eat, eat. Not your pussy, eat, cause it don't fucking taste too good. I'm like, damn it, bitch, I'm good. On that fucking shit, I'm great. You don't know how to relate to me anymore, it's a date. No, it's fucking not, I'm great. Told you that before, it's a straight plate on my place. I'm like, damn it, gotta eat, gotta be fucking free. I'm like, Dolladon, you see the shades and they fucking glisten in the night. I'm like, fuck it, I'm alright. I'm like, fuck it, bitch, I got the fucking mic. I ain't got no fucking mic. Got a fucking... What is this thing called again? It's like a fire, it's supposed to be going off. Beep, 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 beep. Ah, shit, I think I broke it. I'm about to burn to death. All right, that's it. That's the fire. I'm so kosher. I'm like a fucking pickle. Dollar.